welcome back to my channel. This is Cynthia ELEWUWA. Thank you all so much for stopping by again, once again today. I mean, like, you guys are the real MVP. You're always coming back to my channel to just watch me. I am so grateful. You guys have no idea. Thank you all so much. If you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. This is me, Cynthia ELEWUWA. And yes, this is my channel where I do makeup videos, cooking, talk shows and all. But yeah, for a while now I've been doing, makeup videos, so just stay with me, roll with me. Make sure you do subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Okay, I'm very sure you'll find a lot of my videos very interesting, so please do check them out. And to my returnee subscribers, you guys are so amazing. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate you all so much. You guys are just so awesome. On today's tutorial, this is the look I was able to create, and if you like this look or if you love it and you would love, oh goodness, and you would love to see how I recreated it, just stay with me and you will see in a jiffy how I created this beautiful look. Without wasting so much of your time, let's get to work. I mean, we have a lot to do. So guys, now I'm gonna go ahead and start my foundation because I've already prepared my face and all ready for my foundation, and I'll be using my Lancome Tint Idol Ultra Wear foundation. Okay. So I'm just gonna tap it like this in here. So I'm also gonna go ahead and add my contour on top of that foundation. I want to try something new today and see how it's going to turn out. So I'll be using my Stila Shape and Shade Custom Contour Kit. I'm trying out something new today. I don't know how it's going to be, but hopefully it should turn out well. So let's just keep our fingers crossed, guys. I really don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and just, oh, that's much. I think this brush is too big. Okay. This foundation is matte and it's almost drying. So for the concealer, I'll be using my LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Toffee. This is the one I'm using today, and I'm just gonna go ahead and place it right here under my eyes. Hopefully I don't turn out to be a zombie today, guys. Like, I'm trying something new. I'm not even sure how it's gonna be, but let's see how it will turn out. So, and I'm gonna go ahead and contour here and then highlight here and here. So now, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start blending. I'll be using my foundation brush from Zoeva. Now this foundation is matte and it's almost drying out. Guys, I don't know who sent me to be doing this experiment, but let's see how it's going to turn out. So I'll first of all blend out the foundations. concealer brush to now brush out my concealer. And now I'll be using this brush. I'm going to use it to go ahead and, you know, brush out my contour, blend my contour. So guys, now I'll be using my makeup designery powder, loose powder, to set my face. I'll be using it to just set my whole face. And for my under eyes, I'll be using my Huda Beauty Easy Baked Loose Powder and Setting Powder, and it's in the shade Cinnamon Bun. I'll be using it to set my under eyes. I'll be using my beauty blender to do that. Brows, I'm using a brow pencil to outline my brows, following my natural brow lines, and I'm gonna be filling it up with my Bollywood brow powder in the shade dark brown. So this is what I'm doing. I'm trying to fill up the spaces. Wherever there are spaces, I just make an upward strokes to fill them up. So that is basically what I'm doing. So using my ELEWUWA Pro concealer in the shade Fawn, I'm gonna clean up my brows. Guys, now I'll be using my Kat Von D shade and light to set my contour, and I'll be using this shade here, Sombre. For my eyeshadow, guys, I'll be using the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette and also the Festival palette, because the look I want to create today, the shades are in both, so I'll be using the both. And first of all, I'll be going in with Fulani. I'll be using Fulani to transition, so I'll be applying Fulani right here, right above my crease, just close to my brow bone. Using my Zoeva Cool Spectrum palette, so I'll be going in with this green shade right here. This, I'm just gonna go in with it, and I'll start right here, and I'll bring it down to the outer corner of my eyes, and I'll keep blending. Now I'm gonna be going into with this dark shade here, just to make these eyes a little smoky. I'll go ahead and deepen the color, and I'll just place it right here and keep blending. Now bring it close to the inner corner of my eyes and just back and forth, back and forth. Is using my Juvia's Place Festival palette. I'll be going in with this green shade right here, this shade, which is Abba. As you can see, I'm using a smaller brush, going in just right on top of here with this green shade. Now going back into this shade Fulani, and I'll start cleaning up just a little over here because I don't want the green to overshadow the transitioning shade, so I'll just go all over it like this. And I'll also go ahead and remove any harsh lines using this shade. So now using my Maybelline Pure Concealing Mineral, I'm gonna be using it to clean up some areas. So I just want to tap it here and, you know, clean it up or smudge it out just to create a halo effect. I'm just gonna go ahead and just use it, tap it like this and just be smudging it out. So guys, now that I'm done with that, now that I'm done creating this halo effect, I am just gonna go in with my Juvia's Festival palette, and I'm gonna set this concealer with this shade Oro. I know it might not make much of a difference, but I'm just gonna try and see what it's going to give me. So yeah. Okay, now that that is done, I'm gonna go ahead and move to my masquerade palette, and I'll be using Giza. Now I'll put it right here on my lid. Now right on top of that, the next shade I'm gonna be going in is Sweet Casablanca, which is this golden brown right here, just right on top of my lid, as you can see on these eyes. Now using the same brush that I used for the green shades, I'm just gonna use it to go around these green shades like so, and just to make sure that everything is well blended out. So now using the liquid eyeliner, I'm just gonna go ahead and line my lid. For my mascara, I'll be using Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I've been using it for a while, and now for my waterline, I'll be using this eye pencil from Pharmacy. I think it's kind of gray, I don't know. So I'll be using it to just go ahead and line my waterline. For my under eyes, I'm using my Zoeva Cool Spectrum, and I'm taking that shade, this green shade, and I'm just going to go ahead and go into my waterline. Now from the Festival palette, I'm also going to be taking this green shade, which is Abba, and I'm going to continue to blend it into my under eyes. So I'm like smudging it out. I don't want it to look sharp, or I don't want it to have any harsh lines. Guys, for my lower lashes, I'll be using my Urban Decay Perversion mascara, and I'll go ahead and define my lower lashes. So guys, using a crayon liner from Maybelline, I'll be going ahead to outline my lips. Guys, for my lipstick, I'm gonna be using my MAC Cosmetic lipstick, and this is in the shade Melt Down. Frost Melt Down. It's kind of an orangey shimmery color, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply it on my lips. For my blush, I'll be using my favorite blush from Pharmacy, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it on my cheek. For my highlighter, I'll be using my Becca Cosmetics highlighter, and this is in the shade Rose Gold. This is what it's looking like. And I'm gonna take a little and just sweep it on my cheek, just to give me that beautiful glow. For my inner corner of the eyes, for the inner corner of my eyes, I'll be using my Juvia's Place Festival palette, and I'll be taking this shade Oro, and I'm gonna be placing it right here on my inner corner. And then I'm gonna be taking this green shade, and I'm gonna be putting it just right there. Yep. So guys, now I'm gonna be finishing up this look with my setting spray. And this is our final look, guys. Yes, this is what we've created. What do you guys think? Do you like the look? Are you gonna be recreating it? Please, if you do recreate this look, I would love to see it on my Instagram, if you don't mind. Yes, my Instagram details is down on my description box below. So if you do recreate this look, please tag me on your Instagram account. Let's see. You know, I really love this greenish goldenish look. You know, it's kind of, I don't know, poised and at the same time sassy. You know, I don't know. And the lips complements the eyes. You know, gold and then green. Yeah, I think it's really cool. I really love it. It's giving me this golden vibes, and I'm like, ooh. Don't mind me, guys. Between, how do you all like my background? I did a little upgrade on my background, and I think I'm feeling it. I am feeling it. Anyway, thank you so much, guys, for being here with me today, for watching. Thank you so much for staying with me. If you're here till the end, oh my goodness, you are the real MVP. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you were close, I would have given you a kiss, you know. But anyway, you know I love you, so thank you for being here. Please, if you do like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed. Okay? Yes. And I will see you guys all. I will see you all on my next video. Thank you and bye.